introduce myself. My name is Katarina Marishiambun, and I am a student in the Informatics Study Program at the Faculty of Computer Science. Today, I will tell you how to install an application on a computer. This is a basic skill in informatics. Let's start step by step. First, turn on your computer and make sure you have an internet connection. Second, open your web browser like Google Chrome or Firefox. I will use Google Chrome. Then, go to the official website of the application you want to install. For example, if you want to install Zoom, go to download Zoom for Windows. Next, find the download button and click it. Wait, this is the download. After that, wait until the download is complete, but this is complete. Then, open the download file. Usually it is in the downloads folders. Zoom's installer. Click the file to start the installation progress. Wait a minute. Follow the instruction on the screen. Usually you just need to click next a few times. Okay. Done. Finally, click finish. But the application already there. That's how you install an application for your Windows. It's easy and very useful for daily computer use. Thank you.